Patrick Henry was really the voice of the revolution, and it was his speech that rallied Americans to fight. He certainly ranks among the top, if not the greatest orator in history. He was totally uneducated and grew up a typical farm boy in the mountains of central Virginia. He started reading Shakespeare and would practice the speeches in Shakespeare, practice the pauses. His speaking was gripping, and people listened to him carefully, and his words were usually unforgettable. Virginia at the time was the largest, most powerful colony among the 13 colonies. Patrick Henry, with his "Give me liberty or give me death" speech, convinces the House of Delegates of Virginia to declare independence and to go to war against Britain. Without Virginia, there would have been no revolution. That was the turning point of the war, and Patrick Henry was more responsible for getting the revolution underway than any other founding father.